you're welcome back to my channel. You're welcome back to another beautiful brand new day. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for subscribing to my videos. Keep doing that, and let's push the thing higher. In my previous videos, I showed you how the sachet water machine operates. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate a step-by-step approach in how to produce your sachet water. Without doing much, let's just dive into it. This tank is the raw water. This tank contains the raw water, and then this is where you will keep your raw water, and then in the purification or in the filtration processes, it purifies the water from this into the final tank. This is the final tank for the filtration process. This is where the raw water, when it purifies, then it comes here into this tank, and then it carries out the final filtration processes before we produce our pure water. On the inside too, these are the processes involved. This is the filter machine. This machine filters the water from the overall water in a poly tank into your final poly tank for production of your sachet water. This is the main switch for the water, for the filter machine, and this is the filters for the machine. And there are other filters too here that helps in the filtration processes to take off every germs and every impurities if your water contains one. So when you switch on, when you put on the main switch, then you quickly come here and then you press the green button, this one first, and then you press this one too, one after the other. So if you realize you have enough filtered water in your final poly tank, then you can decide to press the off button, and then you switch off the machine, and then you turn on the main switch off too as well. But before you produce sachet water, you have to put on the machine, and this is the main switch for the machine, and this is another switch for motor here, which also helps in final filtration of your filtered water too. So you will put on this machine and wait for a little while for it to heat up, because in sealing the rubber it needs a little heat, in cutting it too it needs a little heat. And then when we come back here, after you have filtered your water into your final poly tank for manufacturing, then the filtered water again will also pass through another filters here and gives it a very purified final filtered water. And on the inside, this is the inside of your machine, and this is the position of the rubber that you use to manufacture your water. And so when we come back here we have some settings up here. This is the vertical heat sealing temperature. This is the horizontal heat temperature. This vertical sealing temperature is for the rubber here in vertical position. This is it. And the horizontal heat sealing temperature is for the cutting of the pure water, and this is the position. And you have to make sure that your Teflon tape is also very tight and it's well positioned, so that you won't produce leakages in your water. And then with the vertical heat sealing temperature, you have to make sure that your settings are right depending on the capacity of your rubber. If your rubber is the hard type, you have to increase it to closer to 200, maybe 250. And if your rubber is the soft type, it should be behind 150, or let's say 100 or something. Cool. With the horizontal heat sealing temperature, it should be a little bit higher, because it is the one that cuts the water for you, so it should be a little higher so that to give you a quick cut. So we have host on and host off. These two are the one that will help you regulate producing your sachet water. So you press host on, then you quickly come here and you tighten your rubber with this, and then cutting of your sachet water begins. And then if you want to also stop for a while and do something, you can hold stuff and then you quickly release this once and then do whatever you're supposed to do. And I think this is all for today. In our next video, we will carry out the food production processes for you to see the move. Still Nick Asa, keep subscribing, press on, and then press the notification button so that you don't miss other videos that comes out. God bless you. Stay blessed. Thanks for being with me. Bye.